Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.